Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damaged screw and why it stripped, incorrect driver size or slippage. Once done, expose the head fully, remove rust and debris so tools seat properly. Make sure to choose a driver that matches the worn recess as closely as possible. A slightly larger flat blade can bite where a small Phillips fails. Use a rubber band for grip if the head still has some shape. Move now to controlled force. Don't risk cam out and damage to surrounding material. Next, create purchase so you can turn the screw. If the rubber band trick works, press firmly and turn slowly counterclockwise. That extra friction often releases it. If not, drill a small pilot hole centered in the head. This gives an extractor a place to bite. Use a left-handed drill bit if available. It may back the screw out while drilling. Then insert a tapered extractor, tap gently, and turn slow, steady, and controlled to avoid widening the hole or breaking the extractor. Finally, once the stripped screw begins to move, continue slow and keep steady pressure until it clears the material. Make sure to remove the extractor without twisting it in place. Back it out carefully to avoid new breakage. If the extractor itself snaps, you can drill larger and step up to a bigger extractor, or weld a small nut onto the screw head to create fresh purchase, only if the surrounding part tolerates heat. Replace with the correct screw and, if vibration was the cause, add thread locker to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.